Polevka s zelimi. Cabbage soup. A side dish from Czech Republic. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. Place beef bones, onion, carrots, garlic and bay leaf in a roasting pan. Top with short ribs, sprinkle with thyme and paprika. Roast, uncovered, in 450-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Transfer meat and vegetables into a large kettle. Step 3. Using a small amount of water, scrape brown meat bits from a roasting pan into a kettle. Add water, cabbage, tomatoes, salt, and tabasco. Bring to boil. Cover, simmer 1.5 hours. Step 4. Skim off fat. Add parsley, lemon juice, sugar and sauerkraut. Cook, uncovered, for 1 hour. Step 5. Remove bones and short ribs from kettle. Cool slightly, remove meat from bones. Cut meat into cubes, return to kettle. Cook 5 minutes longer. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.